Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. So right here at the device we can see there's no connection. After that just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. And after that, just check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, right here at the bottom we have connectional button, press and hold on it until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after hard reset it enters to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!